Hi young builders, today we're building something super useful, so be sure to swing by HomCo to pick up your free Young Builders kit on the third Saturday of each month. This month we're building a message board, a fun project that's perfect for back to school. You can use it to hang notes, reminders, artwork, or even your favorite photos. You can build it right here at HomCo or take it home and build it with your family while following along on your phone. Ready to get building? Let's go! In your kit you'll find a wooden board base, a frame or trim pieces, clothespins or clips, string or twine, nails, a hammer, and a pencil to mark your nail spots. Make sure your grown-up helper is nearby. You'll be building this together. First, lay out all the pieces on your table. The board will be the back of your message board, and the frame pieces will go around the edges. This helps you see what your finished board will look like before you start building. Next, attach the frame pieces to the edges of the board. Use your pencil to mark where your nails will go. Then with your grown-up helper, carefully hammer the nails into place. Awesome work! Your message board frame is starting to come together. Now it's time to add the string that will hold your notes and pictures. Stretch the string across the board and secure it to each side. This is where you'll clip your messages, artwork, or reminders. Next, add your clothespins or clips to the string. These are perfect for holding notes, photos, reminders, or your latest masterpiece. Now your message board is ready to help keep things organized. Now it's time to decorate. You can paint your message board, add stickers, draw designs, or write your name on it. Make it totally your own. Great job, young builders. You just built your very own message board, perfect for keeping track of school notes, reminders, photos, and more. We love seeing what you create. Bring your finished project to our next Young Builders event or take a picture and tag us on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for building with us, and we'll see you next time.